Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are amazing by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. So winter is going on right now. So today I would like to talk about winter. I will make some sentence about winter. Winter is my favorite season. I feel very active in winter season. Winter is a very freezing season. So what is the meaning of freezing? Instead of very cold, we can say very freezing. Okay, people wear different kind of warm dress, warm clothes in winter time. During the winter time, especially I wear jacket, pants, socks, and also cap and shoes as well. And the wind of the winter are very soft and cold. It comes after rainy season. It starts from November and it lasts from November to February. During this winter time, nights are very long and days are very short. Okay, in this winter time, we get a number of fresh fruits and green vegetables. It's available. A number of fruit and fresh vegetables are available in this winter time. But in my previous experience, in my previous winter time, we got a lots of vegetables, a number of vegetables with low price. But right now what I'm watching in my area, I'm watching the price is very high. When I go to market for buying different kind of green vegetables and fruits, so the price is very high. For very high price, people are not buying vegetables, fruits properly. So you have to decrease the price. Especially I'm saying for the businessmen who are businessing, who are doing business. I'm telling that kind of person. Okay, in this winter time, people go to picnic and a vacation. And I have an experience. Last year, I went to the Sylhet for a trip. The trip was amazing. I went there with my some friends. It was amazing experience for me. And when I went to the beside the river, I have taken so many selfie and photo. And also I have eaten different kind of cuisine from there. And also I have enjoyed a lot. I have played on the beach and I have taken shower in the river. So also I went to the tea garden. It was special things for me. When I went to that tea garden, that time I saw the number of trees are available. That is amazing view. And also we have taken some selfie and photos from tea garden. And then I have uploaded my Facebook page, Facebook profile, and I got a number of views from that pictures. And I got so many likes from that picture. And I like to have a hot tea, coffee, soup during the winter time. So what you like to do in this winter time? I want your comment.